So if I go to AI Control Tower, you have this value template that, or the value tab that tracks the overall value of all of the AI systems, as well as how many users are using it. You have a scoreboard of top 5 AI systems defined by the productivity given in number of hours. You can also look at a breakdown of what are the different actions or which skills are being used, how many users are using those skills, what is the overall value that is being driven, and then a scoreboard of all of the different AI systems. What does productivity model look like, a productivity gain look like along with model category. Similarly, your adoption tab is going to bring in all of the information around your user engagement, usage in terms of your number of actions, uh, what what are the different categories or departments the users are coming from, as well as what does adoption look like for these users in terms of the different solutions, the skills, and the departments where this information would be coming from. Now, how is this information calculated? There are a couple of, I'll walk through an example of an AI system. So this is an AI system that we had initially looked at, agent that we had discovered from AWS Bedrock. Each of these will have a value template, and this particular value template is essentially a formula that will help you define an indicator in terms of how do you measure the usage, a constant, which could be either a constant, or this variable is either your constant or could be another indicator that defines what does productivity look like. And then the last indicator or the last variable over here again could be a constant or an indicator that defines what is the accuracy of that particular AI system. And leveraging this information is how you would calculate value. Similarly, if I were to look at this particular example, which is the analysis for ITSM, over here you're looking at how many times the skill is getting executed, the average value per skill, and then with an accuracy of 50%, you are able to identify how much analysis for ITSM is leading towards productivity. I think there was a question in the chat around can we add new templates for value? Yes, absolutely. So essentially, when you are looking at over here, you can actually add multiple templates. We do provide a specific capability, or we provide default templates for all AI systems. And as a product owner, you would be able to go and modify those as required.
Thanks, Samvara. So the template is where the calculation occurs, but the feeder is still the PA
Oh,
indicator template, yes?
yes,
Indicator.
yes. And
Gotcha. So if I were to add one, I have to get my PA indicator first configured. So the data element comes in, and then the template will just calculate the time and acceptance.
yes, that is correct. One of the
If
examples
I
of,
don't want to use time, so in other words, if the time that's been calculated in that template there is
mm,
set to 15 minutes, I can specify seconds as well.
yeah,
Can I?
yes. Because again, so right now this is in minutes, and again, because this is a template, you would want to have this consistent because these values then roll up into your overall dashboard. So you do want to make sure that your numbers are consistent in terms of, as if you're defining productivity in minutes, then that's what you would want to do across the board.
So Azure has logs on value as well. Is there a way we could bring that in and incorporate it into the same data elements?
Yeah, so if you look at Discovery as part of our integrations, we are bringing in usage data from Amazon CloudWatch as well as Azure. All right. I think this was a quick overview around how we leverage value and adoption and calculate value for all AI systems.